clean up the oil pan, and to make the gasket using the gasket maker, the trick is not to put too thick. It's a thin layer of gasket maker, because once you tighten, it's gonna be all squashed out almost anyway, so only a very thin layer will stay. Looks thick, but it's red high temperature gasket maker, that's why it's looks thick. It's not, it's very thin. Here's the rubber. Here it's a little thicker because the rubber has shrank, so it's a bit thicker, unless you put a new oil pan gasket, which eventually tends to leak. This actually works better. So as the other side, the engine side, put a thin layer all around and let it dry for a little bit. So not too dry, but just tiny bit dry. 10 minutes, and then 10-15 minutes, then put it back on. And as you hold it and screw it, go from crisscross, so all four corners, center, then start from center, low torque, again low torque, do not torque at once, in 3 stages, then go crisscross, crisscross, opposite, across.